In this video, I'll share with you 5 journaling prompts that can kickstart your journey towards maximum success. Journaling is an essential habit for self-improvement, just like meditation and others. But here's the thing, you can make it even more rewarding. Now, don't get me wrong, if you journal every day, you're already making progress. However, by using these prompts and answering the questions, you'll take your journaling to the next level. It'll stimulate your brain to think deeply and come up with valuable insights. These prompts are designed to make you spend time reflecting. And once you jot down your answers, you'll discover the true value. You'll gain a clear understanding of your life and how to move forward from there. Now let's not waste any time and dive right in. First prompt, what is my motivation for self-improvement? Take a moment to delve deep into your reasons for wanting to improve yourself. Don't settle for a superficial answer like, just because. There's a deeper meaning behind it, and you need to think about it. For me, it was realizing that I had enough of my miserable life, plagued by negative thoughts and overthinking. I wanted to achieve something significant, to break free from this vicious cycle, and live a life that truly aligns with my desires, as well as working toward my business so I can retire my mother. Second prompt, what brings me genuine happiness? Understanding what truly brings you happiness is crucial. Without this knowledge, you might embark on a journey and work towards things that you'll later realize you despise. Knowing what makes you happy allows you to pursue meaningful goals and spend your time in a way that brings fulfillment. For me, happiness comes from being in our garden, surrounded by nature's beauty. It comes from skipping stones and finding joy in simple pleasures. And most importantly, it comes from making my mother's life a little easier. 3. Who am I? How would I describe myself? This question used to be one of my favorites, but I quickly realized it wasn't as easy as I thought. It's incredibly empowering to dig deep and truly understand who you are. For me, I wrote that I am a resilient young man who overcame a challenging childhood. Despite the odds, I refused to follow in my father's footsteps and become an alcoholic. No, I am determined to fight until the very end. 4. What do I need to change in my life? Now that you have a clear vision of what you want to improve and what brings you happiness, it's time to identify the changes you need to make in order to become a better version of yourself and find true happiness. For me, it meant dedicating more time to activities that bring peace and joy to my soul. It also meant letting go of the bad habits I had identified earlier, as they were hindering my progress towards achieving my dreams. 5. Where do I want to be in 5 years? This is where you set your goals and aspirations for the next 5 years. It's a process that requires deep reflection and may take days or even weeks to fully articulate. I won't share mine here because I want you to discover your own true purpose. However, I have a video where I delve into this topic in more detail. Just click on the top right window that has popped out, and you'll find valuable insights on finding your purpose. These 5 prompts have the power to transform your journaling experience like never before. No matter what your goals are, I believe wholeheartedly that you can achieve them, my friend. Join our movement and let's work together to make our biggest dreams a reality. If you appreciate what I'm doing, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We will meet again soon. Stay strong, my friend. We got this.